provides 100+ tips and tricks for taking care of your dog. Covers everything from choosing the right breed for your lifestyle to providing proper nutrition, exercise, and veterinary care. Emphasizes the importance of spending quality time with your dog, as well as being patient and consistent in your approach to training and behavior management. Other key topics include socialization, grooming, and managing common health issues like fleas, ticks, and dental problems. Also highlights the importance of providing a safe and comfortable living environment for your dog, as well as the need to plan for your dog's future in case of unexpected events. Whether you're a new dog owner or a seasoned pet parent, this ebook has something to offer. It provides practical advice and actionable steps that you can take to ensure that your dog is healthy, happy, and well-behaved. By following these tips and tricks, you can strengthen your bond with your furry friend and enjoy the many benefits that come with being a dog owner. For more, download How to Take Care of Your Dog, 100+ Tips and Tricks. A comprehensive guide for pet parents. Ebook link in description.